Can you put Skechers shoes in the washing machine?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to answer a very common question. Can you put Skechers shoes in the washing machine? Whether you're dealing with a bit of dirt or a major stain, knowing how to clean your shoes is essential. Let's dive right in.
Can you put Skechers in the washing machine?
The short answer is yes. Many Skechers shoes can be washed in the washing machine. However, not all shoes are created equal. Certain materials and types of shoes may not hold up well in a washing machine. Therefore, it's important to check the care instructions provided by Skechers for your specific pair of shoes.
Which Skechers can be machine washed?
Most Skechers casual shoes, including the popular Bobs and Delights collections, are designed to be machine washable. Skechers performance shoes, such as the Go Run and Go Walk lines, are also typically safe for the washing machine. These shoes are made with materials that can withstand the agitation and water exposure in a typical wash cycle. However, shoes that are made of leather, suede, or include any special embellishments should not be put in the washing machine. These materials can be damaged by the machine washing process.
How do you wash Skechers in the machine?
Before you toss your shoes in the washer, remove the laces and insoles if possible. This helps to prevent any damage and ensures a more thorough clean. Put your shoes in a mesh laundry bag to protect them during the wash cycle. Wash them on a gentle cycle with cold water using a mild detergent. Avoid using bleach as it can damage the material and alter the color of your shoes. Never put your shoes in the dryer after washing, as the heat can warp the shape and damage the materials. Instead, let them air dry. So there you have it. You can indeed clean many types of Skechers shoes in the washing machine, but make sure to check the care instructions and follow our guidelines to protect your shoes during the process. We hope you found this video helpful. Until next time, keep those shoes looking fresh and clean.